Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to crochet the waffle stitch. The stitch is really easy and very beautiful. Okay, let's get started. So chain any multiplies of 3 plus 2. So I have chained 15 and now make double crochet into the 4th stitch from your hook. So 4th stitch from your hook, make a double crochet. And make double crochet into each stitch until end of the row. And at the end of the row chain 2, and this chain 2 count as a first stitch of the next row. So now we will make one double crochet into the next stitch. So the chain 2 is your first stitch. Now we are making second stitch double crochet, and your next stitch gonna be the post double crochet, front post double crochet. So you insert your hook not like you would normally do into the stitch, but behind this double crochet of your previous row, so here, and this is your front post double crochet. So make one front post double crochet, and now make one double crochet into the next 2 stitches, one double crochet into the next 2 stitches, one front post double crochet into the next stitch, one double crochet into the next 2 stitches. Continue work in this manner. So one double crochet into the next 2 stitches, one front post double crochet into the next stitch at the end of the row. Do not forget about this last stitch, which is front post double crochet. Chain 2, and this chain 2 count as the first stitch. Turn your work. Make front post double crochet into the next 2 stitches. So this is your first front post double crochet, and the second one, and make one double crochet into the next stitch. So you will work in this manner: 2 front post double crochet, 1 double crochet, 2 front post double crochet, 1 double crochet. Chain 2 and turn, and you can already see our waffles. So that's basically it. Repeat rows number 1 and 2 as long as you need. So row 3, 2 double crochet, 1 front post double crochet, Please do not skip the last stitch. It's easy to forget about this stitch. And row 4, 2 front post double crochets and 1 double crochet. And that's basically it. As I said, this stitch is very easy. I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, please leave thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Bye.